In this video, I'll show you how to connect MySQL to N8N, making it easy to integrate your databases into automated workflows. Start by logging into your N8N workflow environment and navigating to the Credentials section in the main menu. Click Create New and select MySQL from the list. This tells N8N that you want to establish a connection with your MySQL database. Next, enter the database details. For the host, input the host name or IP address of your database. If you're using Docker, the container name can also work here. Then add the database name accurately, as any typo could prevent the connection. Provide the username and password that have the necessary permissions to access this database. For the port, the default is 3306 unless your configuration specifies otherwise. Set the connect timeout, which is typically 1000 milliseconds, 10 seconds, or adjust it if your network experiences delays. If your database requires SSL, provide the necessary parameters, including CA files and client certificates, to ensure encrypted connections. For enhanced security, some setups may require an SSH tunnel. Enter the relevant details if needed. Once all fields are completed, save your credentials. If everything is correct, your MySQL database will now be connected to N8N, enabling you to automate workflows that interact with your database seamlessly. With this setup, you can efficiently manage data, trigger automated actions, and integrate MySQL with other apps in your N8N workflows. Happy automating!